Back to Financial Pro, everyone. Thank you for being here. Please subscribe, comment below. You won't believe this, but this subject is not taboo anymore. How to make money selling feet pictures. And this is one of the upcoming trends on Google. We're going into a what you call a recession. If not, we're already in one. It's not as bad as people think, but people are talking about maybe a great depression. So who knows? And making money is always a topic every single year, especially in times like this. So I'm giving you the research that I did of making money selling feet pictures. The number one website that you probably already know and heard of is OnlyFans. OnlyFans, you can do anything on there, pay per view, messages, whatever. The number two is Feet Finder, another option for that. And their platform has a 4.9 out of 5. How Feet Finder works: create an account, get verified by Feet Finder. Buyers submit requests to purchase feet pics. The seller accepts offers, yada. But that's number two, so that's not bad. You know, you're not showing your face on there. You can start a blog, lifestyle blog. You know, if you go on different trips, you have that beautiful water in the background, or your feet is in the water with those nice feet rings and bracelets, ankle bracelets, things like that. You can actually post that on your blog or sell it on those websites, get paid off affiliate marketing, and that's another way to make money on your blog. You have a travel blog, lifestyle blog, things like that. Sell your feet pics at feetpics.com. Create an account, the same thing with that as what I said before. Sellers of feet pics need to create an account and set up their sellers page. They have dedicated websites to sell feet pictures, which is wow. In 2022, it's not taboo anymore to talk about this. You can also market on Instagram, social media, TikTok, things like that, and bring traffic towards your blog, or one of the websites that you're on. I'm sure they have links to share that on social media now as well. They have a Shutterstock. You can sell feed pictures on that website. Envato, uh, Shutterstock, iStock Photo. How to sell feet pics on Etsy. Etsy is a growing, ongoing. They sell everything from arts and crafts. I buy jewelry on it, everything like that. So you just have to set up a shop, and create your account on there. The same thing with the other websites as well. But it's just like any other digital product on Etsy. I don't think you can do that on Amazon, but I know Etsy has a lot of digital products you can upload and sell on there. Another website might be Shopify. You can check into that Shopify, but they don't have that on this list right now. I've read that some people are making $1,000 or more per month selling feet pics, and this is not something new. This has been going on for years. So if you have pretty feet, do it. Some people buy feet pics with tattoos on them. Some people just research. Some people might buy feet pics if you do it like those people that do makeup on their faces, and they do different things. Spider-Man, they do horror makeup. You can do that with your feet. Just think outside the box. Think what will sell. Do your research, and there you go. There you have it. So feet pics. I'm seeing people on here making $1,000 up to $10,000 per month. I just saw a lady selling her chest sweat. She's making 10, 20, 30,000 a month. So it's crazy out here. But if you have enough followers, if you have enough fans, you could sell probably anything legally, anything online. People will buy, especially in these times. So you guys comment below. Let me know what you think about selling feet pics. This is real. This is a real thing. 2022. Thank you for being here.